If you are over 60 and your belly fat simply will not go away, no matter how little you eat, no matter how much you walk, I need you to hear this. It is not your metabolism, it is not your age, and it is definitely not your willpower, it is your liver. Here is what is actually happening. Your liver has one job when it comes to fat: process it and move it out of your body. But when your liver becomes fatty, when fat builds up inside the liver cells themselves, it stops doing that job properly. Instead of processing and releasing fat, a fatty liver holds onto it, stores it, and sends the overflow directly to your belly. This is called visceral fat, the deep belly fat that sits around your organs. And here is why it is so stubborn. You can cut calories, cut sugar, walk every day, and your belly barely changes. Because the problem was never your diet. The problem is a liver that is too overwhelmed to do its job. And after 60, this gets significantly worse. Because the hormones that protect your liver from fat buildup, estrogen and testosterone, drop dramatically after 60. This is why belly fat after 60 behaves completely differently than belly fat at 40. So what actually fixes a fatty liver? The answer has been used for centuries, and science is now confirming why it works. Bitter foods and anti-inflammatory ingredients directly stimulate bile production, and bile is exactly what your liver uses to break down and flush out fat. When you give your liver these ingredients first thing in the morning, before any food, you are essentially waking your liver up and telling it to get back to work. And today, I am going to give you the exact recipe. This is called the Golden Morning Liver Tonic. It takes 60 seconds to make. Every ingredient costs under $5, and you can start it tomorrow morning. Here is exactly what you need: 1 cup of warm water, not hot, warm. Hot water destroys some of the active compounds in these ingredients. Half a tablespoon of grated fresh turmeric, or if fresh is not available, 1/4 teaspoon of pure turmeric powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most researched anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. It directly reduces liver inflammation and supports fat metabolism. Half a tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. Ginger stimulates bile flow, reduces liver inflammation, and has been shown in multiple studies to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Lemon activates liver enzymes, supports detoxification pathways, and provides vitamin C, which the liver uses for cellular repair. And finally, a tiny pinch of black pepper. This is important. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases your body's absorption of turmeric by up to 2,000%. Without the black pepper, most of the turmeric passes through without being absorbed. Combine all ingredients in a glass or mug, stir well, drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning before breakfast or coffee. That is it. 60 seconds every morning. Now this tonic alone will not undo years of liver fat overnight. But combined with 2 other simple changes, removing sugary drinks completely and taking a 10-minute walk after your largest meal, most people notice a real difference in belly bloating and energy within 2 to 3 weeks. Your liver is not broken, it is overwhelmed. Give it what it needs every morning and it will start doing its job again. If this helped you, please share it with someone over 60 who has been struggling with stubborn belly fat. This information changes everything when you finally understand the real reason. Subscribe for honest health information every single week. And always speak with your doctor before starting any new health routine, especially if you have existing liver, kidney, or digestive conditions. I will see you in the next one.